Stop wasting your time and money combating the same challenges and daily frustrations across multiple facilities. Pinpoint, consolidate, optimize, and take charge of your fleet at every location. Don't let costs start piling up. What if those costs could be predicted or even prevented? Take charge and cut costs, increase productivity, and even utilize your current fleet to eliminate leakage altogether. Proactively identify training opportunities. Engage in preventative maintenance conversations. Drive greater truck utilization. And reduce administrative costs. What would a 15% minimum savings or an additional 10% in equipment uptime mean to you? Expansion? More resources? Labor? New facility? More equipment? Get personalized service from a dedicated program manager, supporting you and consulting with you every step of the way.